The Philippines is on track to surpass 100,000 registered electric vehicles by year-end, driven by rising fuel costs, government incentives, and growing consumer interest in EV savings. Mobile journalist Evan Tarinque has the report.
More than 100,000 registered electric vehicles are expected to be on the Philippine roads before the end of the year, as more Filipinos shift to EVs amid rising fuel costs and continued government incentives. The Department of Energy says EV sales have already exceeded 47,000 the first 7 months of the year, putting the country on track to surpass the 100,000 mark in registered electric vehicles before year-end. The DOE adds that electric vehicles now account for nearly 15% of new vehicle sales, meaning almost 1 out of every 5 new vehicles purchased in recent months is electric. Government incentives continue to boost the industry, including zero import tariffs on battery electric vehicles until 2028, zero excise tax for fully electric vehicles, and a 50% excise tax discount for hybrid and plug-in hybrid models.
Confident tayo na bago matapos or matatapos ang 2026 na ang ating vehicle registrations pagdating ng electric vehicles or EVs lagpas 100,000 na.
But the Electric Vehicle Association of the Philippines says the biggest selling point today isn't just the incentives, it's the savings. As fuel prices remain high, owners are spending far less on electricity than they would on gasoline. At the same time, a growing number of EV models has helped bring prices down, with some now selling for less than 1 million pesos.
Pero sa EV, yung savings ngayon is about 70%. Kung gumagastos ka ng 1,000 kada 3-4 na araw sa gasolina, ngayon 300 na lang kung kuryente.
To keep the momentum going, the industry is calling on the government to extend tax and tariff incentives beyond their 2028 expiration, saying longer-term support would encourage more Filipinos to make the switch to electric vehicles.
Other countries are having these incentives until 2040, yung iba 2035, kung pwede hanggang 2040 or another 10 years from 2028, pwede siguro, di ba? Yun yung pakiusap ng EVAP.
Kapatid Mobile Journal Ivan Tarinque, We or One News.